Okay guys, Mad Goat Crash Course 101, basic paddle strokes. Okay, first off, sitting upright, make sure you're nice and level on the water so you're not tilting to one side or another. Sit on your sitting bones, get your chest up, a little bit forwards, nice and strong, upright position, not slouching back, okay? Because you want to be able to rotate in your torso. Now, forward stroke. Reach forward, put the paddle blade in by your feet, okay? You don't need to whack it down, just gently place it in the water. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to push with my top hand and I'm going to rotate my torso into the stroke as my stroke then goes alongside my kayak and comes out just by my hip, all right? So the common misconception is that you need to pull. It's not about pulling, guys. It's about pushing and rotating. So with the top hand, what I do, I'm pushing out past my center line, which is here, pushing out, the paddle goes down and it comes out by my hip, and you see my torso is rotated like this, and then I'm on to the next stroke. So I'm just going to give you a little example. Okay, so flat, sitting upright, forwards, coming forwards, put your paddle blade in by your feet, pushing with the top hand, boom, 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 boom. Okay, last thing guys, you'll notice that when the paddle comes out of the water, it's nice and smooth, coming out nice and smoothly, little resistance. I'm not shoveling a lot of water because then I'm going to waste energy. Okay, so just to wrap, it's all about rotation guys. You don't need to pull hard, push out with that top hand, rotate, keep nice and upright, and minimal resistance, minimal, well, what should I say? Don't expend a lot of energy when placing the blade in the water, and you don't need to expend a lot of energy when it comes out. So just try to make it smooth and effortless to conserve energy. Okay, that is the